In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find scenario errors in Make step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by logging into your Make account. Open your browser, go to Make, and sign in to access your workspace. Once you're in, click on the Scenarios option from the left navigation menu. This will display all the workflows you have set up across your account. If you already know which scenario is having issues, you can locate it directly using the search bar. Look closely at the scenario status. Any warning or error indicators next to the scenario name will give you a quick heads up. Failed scenarios often show clear error notifications, so keep an eye out for those. Click on the scenario name to open it, and you'll find yourself in the Scenario Builder. Now, head over to the History, Executions, or Runs section depending on what your version of Make shows. This area stores records of every previous run, and it's where you'll start digging. Look for entries marked with error, failed, or warning. These are the runs where something went wrong. Click on one of those failed executions to open the detailed view. Here, you can review the workflow executions step by step. Examine the modules that ran and pinpoint where the workflow actually stopped. Modules that failed will usually stand out with red warning icons, error symbols, or clear failure indicators. Click on that failed module, and a detailed error message will pop up. Read it carefully. The description will tell you what went wrong. Common issues include missing fields, invalid values, authentication failures, or permission problems. Next, check the input data feeding into that module. Make sure all required fields contain valid information. Then, look at the output data to see what the module returned and any additional error details. It's also smart to confirm that your connected apps are still authorized. Sometimes permissions expire, and you'll need to reconnect accounts. Open the module settings to verify your data mapping, making sure every mapped field still exists and is configured correctly. Don't forget to review any filters between modules. Confirm that the data actually meets the filter conditions. If you're using webhooks, double-check that incoming fields are being received as expected. Missing or blank mandatory fields are a very common cause of failures. Finally, test individual modules with sample data when you can. Running them independently helps confirm each one works on its own. By following this process, you've now learned exactly how to find and diagnose scenario errors in Make. Keep these steps handy the next time a workflow breaks, and you'll save yourself a lot of troubleshooting time. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!